Okay, hello guys. How is everybody doing? One moment, because I will edit that. One moment, guys. I will edit because, but yeah, I will edit. That's trade 168.51. Okay, so how are you guys? Let's take a look on all markets right now after the ECB, after the US economic data, advanced GDP, after the ECB, after the advanced GDP here, ECB press conference. But first of all, guys, please read the disclaimer, and it's important to understand the risks, and then I will please Tudor, don't spam on my chat, because I will kick you out. I will ban you. Okay, so what about US oil? Are you long? Are you short? You want to go long? You want to go short? Yeah, and your time frame. So risk disclaimer, it's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Don't forget, guys, that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for money on Telegram. As I've said, please don't spam on my chat, because I will remove you. Okay, so very, very important. There are a lot of scamming groups out there, and don't forget about dash2trade.com if you want to join the pre-sale or something. Please visit the website, read the white paper. You have the roadmap there. So yeah, okay, thank you, guys. So let's take a look. As you already know, main refinancing rate 2.00% as expected, right? And also earlier today, personally, I've already sent a small text in the VIP group. The ECB's president Christine Lagarde, announced that the ECB will continue maybe to hike rates in the next monetary policy meetings. So let's take a look. So gold. About gold, maybe I will start with gold, guys, and then I will also take a look on silver. Maybe I'm trying to catch something, maybe as potential longs. Okay, maybe I will try to identify potential long opportunities on gold or on silver. Also pending gold buy still active. Chris, Isaac, pending gold buy still active. That pending order, that buy limit is Orlando's trade, guys. So you'll have to wait for Orlando to come back with an update. And yeah, unfortunately the price failed to hit that entry. Yeah, but yeah, as long as it's still there in the VIP group, yeah, it's still valid. Okay, you'll have to wait for Orlando to Sadiqur Rahman, hi, is Dash to Trade a Learn to Trade project? Please, if you have questions, guys, about Dash to Trade, personally, I'm not here as a support agent. I will not if you have questions about Dash to Trade, please send an email to support. Yeah. Also, you can visit that dash2trade.com website. Yeah. And if you have questions, or you can also join the Telegram group if you have questions. There is an official Telegram group if you have questions. So yeah. So about gold. About gold, yeah. Unfortunately, it has failed to hit that entry, and yeah, Orlando will come back with his update. If Orlando will decide to keep his pending order, yeah, you will you will get an update, guys. Okay, about gold. Personally, I've talked about gold earlier today in my daily video analysis, and I've talked about this channel, minor channel flag pattern. Okay, so I've said that as long as it stays above the uptrend line and the value breakout here could signal potential further growth. So right now I'll keep an eye on this market. I'll keep an eye on gold. You already have my my analysis on gold, my opinion about gold. I've posted and I've shared my daily video analysis before the ECB. The upside scenario remains intact, so I'll wait to see how it will react here. Staying here and the value breakout could signal potential growth, but yeah, right now I'll wait for confirmation. Okay, for confirmation, because yeah, right now it's still located, it's traded far below this dynamic resistance. So no, right now I will not do anything here in gold. Okay, okay. Okay. Lightheads, have you seen the movement of gold? Yeah, you're right. Stop loss too long. Manual. Yeah. I've edited that trade, that signal. Yeah, and right now you have the levels. Don't worry. Right now. So Chris, how can you set medium line, upper medium line? So if you want to know how to use Pitchfork, that's a trading tool, you'll have to, yeah, maybe I will show you here as well. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you have here the medium line, lower medium line here as support, dynamic support, upper medium line as resistance, dynamic resistance. Okay, so but if you want to know more about Pitchfork, you can visit our website, our YouTube channel, guys. Please visit our YouTube channel, and we have trading tutorials, and please watch those tutorials about Pitchfork. Okay, Pitchfork with Fibonacci, how to draw Pitchfork, how to use those lines in trading. Yeah, US 30 and Ethereum looks like any setup. Yeah, I will take a look on all markets. So let's one moment, because someone asked me about US oil. I talked about US oil, guys. So right now, yeah, it remains to see how gold will react in the short term, because yeah, it continues to challenge the uptrend line. Let's take a look also on silver, and then I will take a look on US oil. And please, guys, don't forget to like the video as well. So silver, but okay, also maybe in the short term this could maybe represent a potential flag, but in my opinion right now I'll wait only because we also have resistance here, 19.686, and maybe only a value breakout here could signal potential further growth. I will keep an eye also on silver, because it's still located inside of this this pattern, minor pattern here. Okay, and yeah, let's also take a look on on dollar index first of all. So here, dollar index, it has rebounded, it has rallied, maybe it has rebounded, it has bounced back in the short term, but right now, guys, yeah, it has reached this resistance zone, maybe former support. If it stays, guys, if the price of if the dollar index will invalidate its breakout here, okay, and if it stays below the downtrend line, if it comes back below 110.01 or something, and to stay below the downtrend line, then it could still drop. And if this scenario will take shape, then maybe gold and silver could jump higher. Okay, and only a value breakout here, test retest, and the potential larger rebound, leg higher, swing higher, could force the metals to drop deeper. Okay, so right now I'll wait here for confirmation before I will go long or short on the US dollar. okay, because right now it challenges this confluence area. So we have a confluence area, the intersection of at least two resistance levels, downtrend line S2, yeah, confluence area. Okay, US oil, I've said that I will take a look on US oil. Also, if you have questions, I will take a look on yeah, US oil, US oil, US oil. US oil, I have to check something, to take a look on something. Yeah. One moment. One moment, guys. Yeah. I have to manage something here, and then yeah, I will talk about all markets. Okay. Okay. Great, perfect. Okay, about US oil, could you look at GBPUSD? Are you still buying? Patel, I will take a look on that market, but please, guys, tell me what you are looking at. Yeah, please tell me your time frame. Personally, I really don't understand you. Okay, let's have a conversation here. Could you look at GBPUSD, or I don't know? Yeah. If you are not telling me what you are looking at, no, maybe I will not answer to your questions, okay? Because, yeah. So about US oil, personally, I've talked about an upside continuation here, okay, in US oil, and unfortunately, we had the ECB, we had US economic data, high impact events, advanced GDP. Okay, because maybe personally I would have placed the buy stop here, but I didn't want it to place a buy stop here right before the ECB, because yeah, I've told you guys that anything could happen around the high impact events, and yeah, technically it looks good right now. After escaping from this pattern, from this down channel, sideways movement here, valid breakout, and yeah, maybe we've missed an opportunity to go long here. This it was maybe the first opportunity to go long, and but right now, no, I don't want to go long right now. Maybe I'll wait for another retreat, for a temporary retreat, drop, for a new retreat before I will go long, or for consolidation, accumulation. So right now, yeah, it has rallied. It has extended its growth after retesting the R1. Okay, but yeah, I've missed an opportunity. Maybe my this was my my setup actually. Okay, but I didn't place it a trade, so yeah, my trade, it would have been in profit right now, but I didn't send the trade. I've told you guys that I didn't want it to have a pending order before the ECB. Okay, but yeah, it would have been good, but I'll wait. Maybe the price will retreat, will consolidate, will accumulate more bullish energy before extending its growth. So yeah, I will try to identify a new long opportunity. It's fine. Yeah, for me it's fine. I'm not worried, because yeah, I will search, and I will identify new high probability trades. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look. So I've talked about that market, US 30 and Ethereum looks like any setup. Please guys, tell me what you are looking at. Yeah, I will not tell you what to do, and if I have something, I will place the trade. I will open the trade. I will send the trade in the VIP group if you want to follow the trades. So gold again, yeah, it's still there. I'll wait here with gold, silver as well. Because also about silver, it could that's why no, I don't want to place a buy stop here because it could only register false breakouts and then to turn to the downside again. So that's why I want to see a valid breakout before looking for potential longs. Okay, S&P 500 on the 30 minutes chart. Please tell me what you are looking at. Patel, I've placed a buy at 1.1570, looking to go up to 1.1830. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart, so I believe that you are talking about GBPUSD, Patel. So let's take a look on that market. Thank you. So about British pound versus the US dollar. I've told you guys that the DXY is still under pressure. DXY under pressure. Okay, it has reached the confluence area right now, only false breakout, but I'll wait for confirmation. If it continues to drop, then I will look for potential new US dollar shorts. Okay, so British pound versus the US dollar. As you already know, personally I've managed my position last night here after registering a false breakout above 1.1619. okay, 96 pips profit. Okay, on this trade. Unfortunately, the price failed to stabilize above this level, and yeah, but it was I took a great profit, 96 pips, and you can see that the price crashed. It has retested this level. Right now, I don't know if I want to trade GBPUSD right now, and yeah, as long as it stays above the uptrend line. Okay, this is the uptrend line. This is the uptrend line. As long as it stays above it, maybe yeah, I will still look for potential longs. 1.1570. Yeah, I believe that you are in profit right now. It's up to you how you want to manage your position. Yeah, don't forget that we have a potential resistance, 1.1619. It remains to see, and only a valid breakout here, a new high could signal potential growth. But don't forget also that we have this this downtrend line, major downtrend line, and yeah, only a valid breakout above that downtrend line, major downtrend line above the R2 could signal on an upside continuation. So that's why maybe I'll wait to see how it will react here if it reaches the resistance levels, because staying near the downtrend line may signal an imminent breakout and the upside continuation if the dollar index continues to drop. Okay. Okay. Josh, currently in a Euro GBP short, have TP at 0.8580 and TP to around 0.8540. Thoughts on? I don't know. I will not tell you what to do. So I will take a look on Euro GBP, but those are your take profits or TPs, or that's your setup. It's not my setup, so it's up to you how you want to manage your position. Let's invite more members. So that's your trade. Okay. Josh, do you see resistance in there? So let's take a look on that market. I see resistance. Okay, currently in Euro GBP short. 85.80. What? 0.8580. Sorry, Euro GBP. Sorry. Okay, so Euro GBP. Okay, 0.8580. So do you see resistance in there? What resistance? Maybe this is a support. Okay. Yeah, this is a support level, key level, downside obstacle maybe. Okay, and so right now, guys, here euro versus the British pound. Breakdown. A new lower low. If it stays below 0.8652, yeah, maybe it could approach S1. I don't know, but yeah, it's not my setup. I don't know your entry. What can I say? Yeah. Personally, I'm not trading this market. Yeah. I'm not trading on Euro, British pound. But also after dropping here, let's take a look. Yeah, it seems that in the short term, it's still under pressure, but I don't know. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. 86.69. 86.69. So you are in profit. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, and as I've said, as long as it stays, if it stabilizes here below 0.8652, it could maybe at least approach this level, S1. Why? Only because here you can see that it has failed to stabilize above the pivot point. It has failed to approach and reach the R1. So yeah, maybe it could be attracted by the S1 here. Okay, so right now you are in profit. It's up to you. Okay, I will not tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a trade. I don't have a position here. Okay, it's up to you how you want to manage your positions. And also, technically, if it makes a new lower low, yeah, it could extend its downside movement, but it remains to see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So US 30. Yeah, we'll take a look on US equities. US oil and gold. I've talked about those markets. Okay, so absolutely thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, Josh. Yeah, and yeah, as I've said, temporary rebound here. It has tested, retested also maybe this area zone or something as resistance. Maybe on lower time frames here we had a flag pattern. Okay, so signaling maybe a potential downside continuation. Okay. Here in Euro British pound, maybe I will keep an eye on this market as well from now on, because maybe I will identify something really good. Yen basket, let's take a look. So personally, I'm keeping my pending order in British pound versus the Japanese yen, which is valid, is good. And yeah, sorry for that mistake and I've edited the stop loss. So the stop loss at 0.95% risk. Okay. So also, even if maybe I've made a mistake with the stop loss, I've sent you the risk. My risk 0.95%. So you already have that position size calculator, and yeah. So about a Japanese yen basket, maybe the price will hit my entry in British pound versus the Japanese yen if yen basket will make a value breakdown here, and if it will activate a potential downside movement. Okay, then maybe the price will hit my entry. I will not talk about GBP Japanese yen here, only because I've sent that trade only in the VIP group. That was only for the VIP members. So you also have the thought process. And also, guys, about that stop loss, you saw the setup, the price action, the setup also in my thought process. Okay, thank you, guys. So yeah, maybe I will delete all my drawings here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it has rallied in the short term after failing to approach and reach these former lows, after failing to make a new lower low. Yeah, key level here as support. Right now it has turned to the upside. But maybe my GBP Japanese yen maybe is better. I have a better setup maybe on that market. Okay. Also here, let's see how it will react here around the downtrend line. Okay. If you have questions, guys, more questions, I will talk about US equities as well. Don't forget, guys, that if you are only a free member, if you want to join the VIP group, I will send you the link. Yeah, Forex signals. And also, if you're interested in, if you're a beginner, if you want a trading course, yeah. And also, don't forget that you can access the link posted right below this video, or that link, learn to trade Forex signals, and you can still use that code coupon. One moment. YouTube at the checkout to get 10% discount if you want to join the VIP group, if you want to get all VIP content, trades, trade management. Okay, so Euro, Japanese yen, yeah, also it has retested the pivot point, but yeah, that's why personally I've decided to send the pending order in British pound versus the Japanese yen, because maybe we have a better setup. We have a better setup, a high probability trade on that market. Also here, if it stays above the uptrend line, if it stays above 145.63, it could resume its growth. Of course, if the yen basket will drop. Okay, so US 100, US 100, US 100 sell-off right now. But why? Let's take a look again on the dollar index. Only because we had maybe this rebound. We had that rebound. Yeah, downtrend line, false breakouts, and A valid breakdown below it, test retests could bring us new short opportunities. I will keep an eye on this market. US 30. Yeah, I talked about an upside continuation here on US 30 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Yeah, only false breakout here above the R2, but in my opinion, as long as it stays above this the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, it could still resume its growth. Let's wait. Yeah, personal wait to see how it will react in the short term. But as long as it stays above the medium line, you can see false breakout, and here valid breakout, upside continuation. So personally, I will use also I'll use also an inside sliding line, a parallel line. I will put it here, maybe something like this. So a sliding line, yeah. Retest, test, retest, false breakouts, and here valid breakout. Also, if it stays above this sliding line, and if it makes a new higher high, then maybe it could extend its growth here. US 30, yeah, US 500. US 500. I will take a look on. I will take a look on our platform. And also, don't forget to join that Dash to Trade Telegram group. And if you have questions, you can send your questions later in 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, Orlando is still long on US 500. Yeah, but you'll have to wait for Orlando's management. Okay. Of course, if you follow that trade. Hi coach, our gold pending order in VIP group is still valid. Sorry, I'm late for live. Ross, hi, how are you? So, if you follow it that, or if you place it that pending order, okay, you'll have to wait for Orlando, yeah, to send an update into the VIP group, okay? And if you don't have an update, it means that Orlando is still keeping his pending order. Yeah, so it's up to you if you want to keep that pending order. Yeah, but personally, I've said earlier today in that video that if gold stays here above the uptrend line, if it makes a valid breakout here, could extend its growth. It remains to see how it will react here, because we have also this pattern. Okay, if it continues to stay within this pattern, to move sideways, yeah, maybe it will also make a valid breakout here, and then it could extend its growth. So you'll have to wait for Orlando's update about that pending order. Okay. Victor, hi. Do you have any experience with EAs and bots? Have you used them before in trading? Please just comment. Personally, yeah, I've used EAs or bots or something, but personally, maybe Victor, I like to place my trades manually, to manage my trades manually. Okay. Yeah, I've used, but yeah. The monastery, hello. So, but as I've said, right now, or for now, I'm trading manually. I'm managing my trades also manually. So yeah, this is my answer for now. Okay, it's up to you if you want to use automatic trading. So gold. Let's take a look on cryptocurrencies as well. Sorry, cryptocurrencies. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, yeah, amazing rally. It has found resistance at R3, 21,000 maybe psychological level. Around this level, retreat. This retreat, Ross. Okay, thank you, Victor. Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, or about expert advisors, Victor. Yeah, I'm using expert advisors. Also in our real account, I'm using an expert advisor position size calculator. Yeah, and also here is the 8 cap. Here is the 8 cap, guys. Yeah, the S&P is in profit. Orlando's trade. So yeah, I'm using expert advisor risk calculator here in this real account, but yeah, I'm using other expert advisors and indicators because personally, for myself, I'm using a different brokerage company. Yeah, and I'm using expert advisors. So about Bitcoin, guys. About Bitcoin, the price could retest 20,381. If it stays here, this could represent maybe a new opportunity to go long. Okay, if it retest the broken resistance, okay, boom. Okay, so this is my opinion, and probably I will look for potential longs on Bitcoin as well, and maybe I will send something in the swing groups, trading groups. Personally, I'm not managing the crypto channels. We have another trader who manages the crypto channels, who send trades. But yeah, as I've said, maybe I will. Maybe I will send something in the swing groups. Okay, a potential trade in Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's take a look. Also on Ethereum. Ethereum also, it has reached the downtrend line. Sorry, the major downtrend line. Okay, and also here. Maybe I will look for something. If it stays above the R3, if it stays near the downtrend line, it could signal an imminent breakout. Okay. Whoa. Shiba versus the US dollar. Nope. Dogecoin. Whoa. Let's take a look here. Yeah. Strong rally here on Dogecoin, 37.06% growth in Dogecoin, guys. Whoa. In the last 2 days. So because and only because the price of Bitcoin rallied, and because as long as Bitcoin is bullish, maybe the altcoins could jump higher as well. Maybe personally I'm still waiting also for Ripple. Litecoin, no, still sideways. Yeah. So it doesn't mean that if Bitcoin rallies and if Bitcoin increases 10%, it doesn't mean that Litecoin will, I don't know, grow, increase 10% as well. Yeah, maybe it will jump higher only 2%, but yeah, we have a correlation, guys. We have a correlation between these markets, cryptocurrencies. Dollar index again. So yeah, maybe I will look for potential US dollar shorts. Yeah, please take a look here. The DXY is still inside is still traded and located inside of this this pattern down channel. I've talked about this downtrend line also yesterday. As long as it stays below it, maybe temporary rebounds could bring a new sell-off, and the new sell-off could bring us new US dollar shorts. Yeah, Euro USD. It has maybe retested the parity, only false breakdown with great separation. Yeah, maybe I will look for potential longs here in the short term. Let's take a look. But maybe I still need a test or a retest or something. Please take a look here. Okay. Hardened divergence, guys. Okay. Signaled by stochastic and the price action. Hidden divergence. Yeah. Maybe I will look for, let's take a look, US dollar, Singapore dollar. No. Maybe that's the market. That's USD CAD sell off. Yeah, I've talked about 1.3606 yesterday, about this down channel, downtrend line as resistance. US dollar Swiss franc. Or maybe here on this market. Maybe I will look for potential US dollar short here on this market. Yeah. On this market, guys. So here, if it stays below the downtrend line, maybe we'll have something. Yeah. As a potential trade here, former highs. Maybe this is a support zone. maybe I will keep an eye on Euro USD and US dollar versus the Swiss franc, and I will send a trade later today. I will have to decide. Because I will choose between Euro USD and US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Right now it has reached the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork as dynamic support. Yeah, okay. It seems that you don't have questions. Personally, I will share a new trade in US dollar, maybe for the VIP group. A potential US dollar short if the DXY continues to drop. If it stabilizes below 110.01, 110 psychological level, after registering only false breakouts here through this confluence area. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys, and yeah, I will share my my trade. Josh, love your trades, appreciate you, sir. Yeah, thank you, Josh. I'm trying to search and to look for high probability trades, even if I'm not sending several trades per day, but at least I'm sending at least 1-2 trades. Orlando is sending at least 1-2 trades per day, so I believe that's yeah, because yeah, we don't want to take or to place 10 trades per day if we don't have something really good. Yeah, maybe it's yeah, quality versus quantity, guys. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. I will come back with a potential trade as a potential US dollar short. I will keep an eye on majors to see if we'll have something like this, like a high probability trade. US dollar Japanese yen. No, I don't want to trade it here. Okay, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, it really is, guys. After maybe retesting 0.5813, but yeah, maybe also here Australian dollar, US dollar. But yeah, I will decide between I will have to choose between Euro USD and US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Thank you guys, see you next time, bye bye. Ross, more power learn to trade team, appreciate all the efforts and sharing us your trading strategies. Thank you, Ross. Don't forget to like the video, Ross. Thank you guys. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.